please our channel, okay?
C1 seviyesinin ilk dersine hoş geldiniz. Take a bow. Okay, go ahead. Do it. Do it. Can you do it?
Yes, I'm here.
Perfect. Evet arkadaşlar, MEVCUT kanalına hoş geldiniz. Lütfen abone olmayı ve takip etmeyi, bildirim butonlarınızı açmayı unutmayınız. Arkadaşlar, tahtada gördüğünüz gibi bugünkü konumuz present perfect continuous tense. Yani devam eden geçmiş zaman. Yani bir işe geçmişte başlamışsınız, hala devam etmekte olan zaman için biz bu tensi kullanıyoruz arkadaşlar. Duymuşsunuzdur illa çevirenizden. Yapmaktayım, etmekteyim gibi cümleler geçmişte başlıyor ve hala devam ediyor. Şarek.
Ne, devam ediyorum.
Go ahead.
Okay,
Introduce
hello
yourself
my
first.
dear students. Welcome
Okay.
to MEVCUT channel. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like and press the bell icon. Today we are going to teach you present perfect continuous tense. So before we already taught you like 9 tense, and what are they? Present simple tense, past simple tense, future simple tense. Present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense and past perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Now it's time to learn present perfect continuous tense. Should I start?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so present perfect continuous tense.
You know what? We just started the C1. Are you excited?
I forget.
Yeah.
I'm so busy in teaching our student that I forget.
Okay.
So now we started the level C1 and this is the first lesson of level C1. Now let's check
What
it
do you think
out.
about our students' English right now? Do you think they are speaking like a rocket?
Of course they are speaking like a rocket and I'm damn sure they're gonna comment it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So present perfect continuous tense, how to make positive, negative and question. Number first, subject, how to make positive. Subject plus have has plus been plus verb ing plus object. Example, they have been learning English for 2 years. Second example, I have been living in London for 5 years.
Evet arkadaşlar, konumuzun yapısına bakalım. Gördüğünüz gibi subject özne arkasından have has been. Perfect tense yapısı. Sonra fiil ing almış. Bu da bir continuous tense. Arkasından nesne. Yani birleşince present perfect continuous tense. Örneklerimize bakalım. They have been learning English for 2 years. Onlar 2 yıldır İngilizce öğrenmekte. Videonun başında dediğim yapmaktayım, etmekteyim gibi geçmişte başlayan ama hala devam eden bu arkadaşlar. Yani they hala öğrenmeye devam ediyorlar. İkinci örneğimiz. I have been living in London for 5 years. 5 yıldır Londra'da yaşamaktayım ve hala yaşam devam ediyor Londra'daki. Şarek,
Yeah.
go ahead with negative.
Okay, negative one. It's same like positive, just you have to put not. So
That much easier, right?
yeah, structure is like subject, have has plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object. Example, they have not been learning English for 2 years. I have not been living in London for 5 years. It's very easy, just you put not, that's it.
That's it. Evet arkadaşlar, olumsuz formunda yapılacak herhangi büyük bir değişiklik yok. Sadece özne artı have has'den sonra not olumsuzluğunu getirdikten sonra ki cümle yapısı devam ediyor. Been, verb ing nesne. Örneğimize bakalım. They have not been learning English for 2 years. I have not been living in London for 5 years. Sharek, go ahead with question.
Yeah, with the question, always you bring have has in the beginning plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object and question mark, important one. So have they been learning?
Why you always emphasize the question mark?
Because this is very important. Generally we forget it.
Arkadaşlar gördüğünüz gibi soru yapılı cümlelerde soru işareti koymayı kesinlikle unutmayınız. Go ahead.
Okay, example. Have they been learning English for 2 years? Question mark. And the last one. Have I been living in London for 5 years question mark.
Perfect. Arkadaşlar soru yapısında ise çok basit have has yapısını başa getiriyoruz. Arkasından özne been, fiil ing, nesne, en önemlisi question mark, soru işareti. Have they been learning English for 2 years? Question mark. Have I been living in London for 5 years? Question mark. Go ahead.
Yes, so you see how to make positive, negative and question mark. Now, you already know where to use have and has, but we will explain once again. When the subject is I, we, they, you and plural, you use have. And when the subject is he, she, it, you use has.
Arkadaşlar Şerif'in anlattığı gibi zaten bu konuyu biliyorsunuz. Fakat
Tabii ki biliyorlar ya, biliyorlar.
Just calm down, okay? Just calm down. Ama tekrar hani basit bir şekilde anlatalım. Bildiğinize eminiz arkadaşlar. Have gördüğünüz gibi I, we, they, you ve çoğul olan çoğullarda gelir. Has ise he, she, it öznelerinde kullanılır. Go ahead.
And the most, you see that, how to make positive, negative and question plus way to use have and has. Now the most important things in any tense, when we use it. So, an action is started in past, but it still is going on. You use present perfect continuous tense.
Here you go. Can I drop this, please?
Of course.
But this is past tense.
Yes.
This is present tense.
True.
This is future tense.
Yes.
Can you explain like that?
Of course. Look, this is something you started here in the past, but you are continuing. It still is going on in the present. For that you use...
Evet! Arkadaşlar Şerif'in anlattığı gibi geçmişte başlıyor. Hala devam ediyor. Bakın arkadaşlar burada başlamış. Bitmiyor. Bitmiyor. Hala devam ediyor arkadaşlar. Gördüğünüz gibi devam etmekte olan eylemleri kullanmak için bizler bu tensi kullanıyoruz.
Yes.
So,
now they are going to see time expression in present perfect continuous, WH question in present perfect continuous and some examples.
evet arkadaşlar WH question'larla ve örneklerle devam ediyoruz. Evet arkadaşlar present perfect continuous tense time expression'larla ve WH question'larla devam ediyoruz. Şerek, where are you?
I'm here.
Tamam.
I'm here.
Evet arkadaşlar zaman zarflarına bakalım. Since, for, all day, all morning. Şerek, go ahead.
Okay, so
Etc. I mean, after that.
we're starting with time expression. Time expression, you know what is time expression. It always comes at the end of the sentence. For example, since, for, all day, all morning, these things.
Yep.
Time expression.
Go ahead.
WH question, like we always, every tense we taught you WH question. So, what has he been cooking? Second
But
example.
do you know Turkish me?
Cooking,
I mean, yeah,
yemek yapmak,
pişirmek.
pişirmek.
Is good.
Whom has she been talking?
Evet arkadaşlar örneklerimize bakalım. What has he been cooking? Ne pişirmekteydi ya da ne pişiriyordu diye çevirebiliriz. Whom has she been talking? Kiminle konuşmaktaydı, kiminle konuşuyordu gibi o kızdan bahsediyor. Shall I go ahead?
And some examples of present perfect continuous tense. I have been watching cartoons for 2 hours.
I have been watching cartoons for 2 hours. 2 saattir çizgi film izlemekteydim, izliyordum.
Another
Okay.
example. He has been teaching since 2003.
He has been teaching since 2003. Buddy,
2003.
yes, I know. He has been teaching since 2003. 2003'ten beri öğretmekte. O erkekten bahsediyor. But how many times you can explain 2003?
How many types? They
Yep.
can say 2003 or 2003 or they can say 2003.
Here you go. Go ahead. Keep
Yeah.
going.
Another example. It has been raining since morning.
It has been raining since morning. Sabahtan beri yağmur yağmakta.
Yes.
Go ahead.
The last example, we have been working all day.
We have been working all day.
Yes. So you see that
Yeah.
present perfect I will explain.
Okay.
You have seen that all these things, present perfect continuous, how to make positive, negative questions, time expression, WH question and examples. Now, we already taught you, if you remember, for and since. We will explain you again what is for and since, where we use it. Since, not exact time. For exact time. What I mean is that, for example, he has been teaching since 2003. So there is a time, but 2003 when? January, February, March, when?
I was gonna say the
Yes.
same thing.
For example, I have been watching cartoon for 2 hours. So there is the exact time. 2 hours means 120 minutes.
Arkadaşlar zaten bizler sizi bu time expression'ları perfect tense'de öğrettik, fakat hani since ile for'u bir açıklama gereğinde bulundu kendisi Şarek hocamızın. Ben de bir açıklamak istiyorum arkadaşlar. Since kullanımlarında gördüğünüz gibi kesin bir zaman aralığı yoktur. Yani örneğimize baktığımızda he has been teaching since 2003. 2003'te ama ne zaman? 12 tane ay var. Ocak mı, Şubat mı, Mart mı, Nisan mı, hangisi? Fakat for kullanıldığında kesin bir zaman vardır arkadaşlar. Gördüğünüz gibi for 2 hours, 2 saattir. Kesin bir şey belirtilmiş. Şarek!
Yeah.
What is the next?
It's done. Today lesson is done. Present perfect continuous is done. Thank you so much for watching us. If you have anything, any question you want to ask, or you want that we should teach, let us know. And please don't forget to share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. See you in the next lesson.
Watch it.
They will watch it. I'm
Don't
sure.
watch it.
They will watch it.
Okay, just keep on. Just hold on. Evet arkadaşlar, videomuzu izlediğiniz için çok teşekkür ediyoruz. Lütfen abone olmayı ve bildirim butonlarınızı açmayı unutmayınız. Diğer derste görüşmek üzere.